Alright guys, so this is super easy to put together. Take a peek here. We've only got 2 pieces. The first thing you want to do is make sure you're matching sides. So if this is the shiny side of your pattern ply versus the printed side of your pattern ply, this should also be shiny side up or print side up. Completely up to you. I prefer having the shiny side up. That way the light comes through and I get more of that look of the print on the outside. All we're going to do is take this little piece and fit these notches. The reason we want both sides to be the same up, these should fit in there fairly tight. If you know me, you know that I like things to be put together without glue if possible. So for that reason, I do a lot of fitting and tension fitted pieces. So we're going to put that one there. We're going to put that there. And it should hold with tension at that point. Hopefully you guys can see that okay. Still holding on to the center here. I'm going to go ahead and put this guy on and then this guy on, alternating sides, so that I'm still holding tension. I pushed that side down too far. And then this one. And I'm just sliding it into the notch. I'm not forcing it. I'm not pushing hard. We can tighten it up a little bit at the end. If they keep flopping down on you, that's okay. It's just not, they're just not tightened all the way, but we don't want to force it or it will break the top notches, especially if you're using acrylic. It does tend to be a little more or a little less resilient than wood. So once I've got that, go ahead and put my little pin light in. I just get these little pin lights off Amazon, Temu, wherever you want to get them. I mainly use these guys for showing and for displays. You can also put this whole display on a puck light, which actually looks pretty cool. But that's it, really. Now you've got your little egg, your little Faberge Easter egg is ready to